The iPhone 16 Pro is still brand new, and yet, as always, the conversation has already shifted toward what's next: Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 17 series. This happens every single year. Apple drops a shiny new device, and almost instantly, the tech world begins speculating about what the following year's release will bring. But here's the real question for iPhone 16 Pro users. Should you already be planning to buy the iPhone 17, or is your current device more than enough to carry you through the next several years? Today, we're going to dive deep into both sides of this debate: why you might need to buy the iPhone 17 and why you might not. By the end of this breakdown, you'll have a crystal clear view of whether upgrading makes sense for you or if it's smarter to hold on to your iPhone 16 Pro. Before we get into the details, it's worth pointing out that Apple's entire business model revolves around this dilemma. They've mastered the art of incremental updates, adding just enough new features each year to keep people tempted, but not so much that their older phones feel instantly outdated. This strategy works brilliantly because it puts users in a constant state of, should I or shouldn't I? That's exactly the decision iPhone 16 Pro users face right now. Let's start with the reasons why the iPhone 17 series could be worth your attention. Display and design breakthroughs. Apple has always used design to drive upgrades, and the iPhone 17 may be one of their boldest moves yet. Rumors suggest Apple is working on under-display Face ID technology, which would remove the dynamic island completely and deliver a truly uninterrupted display. Imagine watching movies, editing photos, or gaming on a full-screen design with no cutouts. It would feel futuristic compared to the current look of the iPhone 16 Pro. On top of that, Apple may finally bring micro-LED displays to its flagship iPhones. Micro-LED technology offers higher brightness, deeper blacks, and longer panel lifespan compared to OLED. It's more energy efficient too, which means brighter visuals without draining the battery as quickly. For users who spend hours streaming, playing games, or editing videos on their phones, this could be a game-changing upgrade. Camera system designed for creators. The iPhone 16 Pro has an outstanding camera, but the iPhone 17 series may push things even further. One of the biggest rumors is that Apple's periscope telephoto zoom, currently exclusive to the 16 Pro Max, will come to all Pro models in the iPhone 17 lineup. This could mean 5 times or even 10 times optical zoom becomes standard, allowing for much sharper long-distance shots without losing detail. There are also talks of larger sensors for better low-light photography and potentially even 8K video recording. For most people, 4K is still more than enough, but for content creators, YouTubers, vloggers, or even indie filmmakers, having access to 8K footage provides flexibility in editing and cropping. If your phone doubles as your primary camera, the iPhone 17 could replace the need for a standalone device. A 19 Pro chip and AI power. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the A18 Pro chip, which is already one of the fastest processors in the smartphone industry. But the iPhone 17 is expected to launch with the A19 Pro chip, built on a more advanced 2nm process. This leap could bring significant improvements in both performance and power efficiency. But it's not just about speed. Apple is placing huge emphasis on AI integration. Their Apple Intelligence platform is designed to offer smarter Siri responses, on-device generative AI, real-time translations, and advanced editing tools. The iPhone 17 may have exclusive hardware accelerators for AI, meaning some of these features might run faster, or even exclusively, on the newer hardware. If you're excited about the future of AI in smartphones, the iPhone 17 could be the device that fully unlocks that potential. Battery life and charging improvements. Battery performance is often one of the biggest deciding factors for users. The iPhone 16 Pro has solid endurance, but charging speeds remain relatively slow compared to many Android competitors. The iPhone 17 is rumored to introduce stacked battery technology, which increases capacity and reduces heat buildup. That means longer daily usage and less overheating during demanding tasks like gaming or 4K video recording. Even more exciting are reports of faster charging speeds, possibly up to 40 watts wired and 20 watts wireless. That would finally bring iPhones closer to the quick charging standards that Android users have enjoyed for years. If you're someone who hates waiting for your phone to charge, this upgrade alone could make the iPhone 17 very appealing. Longevity and resale value. Each time Apple launches a new iPhone, it effectively resets the clock on iOS support. Buying the iPhone 17 means you'll get one extra year of updates compared to sticking with the iPhone 16 Pro. For users who plan to keep their phones for 5 or more years, that's a critical advantage. Resale value is also stronger with newer devices. If you're someone who regularly sells or trades in your phone, the iPhone 17 will hold its value longer, making it a better long-term investment than holding on to the 16 Pro. Now, let's look at the other side of the equation. There are plenty of reasons why iPhone 16 Pro users might not feel the need to upgrade. Incremental, not revolutionary. While Apple frames every release as revolutionary, the reality is that most upgrades are incremental. The iPhone 16 Pro already has a titanium build, a stunning OLED display with ProMotion, and a high-performance camera system. Unless you're someone who craves design novelty, the improvements in the iPhone 17 may not feel worth the cost. The camera is already outstanding. For most people, the iPhone 16 Pro's camera is already more than enough. It shoots excellent photos in daylight and performs exceptionally well in low light. The cinematic 4K video quality is industry-leading, and features like macro photography and Pro RAW give enthusiasts plenty of creative flexibility. Yes, the iPhone 17 might offer 8K recording or better zoom, but ask yourself, do you really need it? For family photos, social media posts, or casual travel vlogs, the 16 Pro is more than capable. Unless you're a professional content creator, the camera upgrades in the 17 might not be worth paying extra for. Performance overkill. The A18 Pro chip in the iPhone 16 Pro is already so powerful that most apps don't even use its full potential. For daily tasks like browsing, texting, social media, and even gaming, you won't notice a difference between the A18 Pro and the rumored A19 Pro. Unless you're pushing your device with high-end gaming, 3D modeling, or AR applications, the performance improvements in the iPhone 17 may not impact your real-world experience. For average users, the iPhone 16 Pro will remain fast and efficient for years. The cost of early adoption. Let's be honest, Apple products are expensive. Each time they introduce new display or camera technology, prices tend to climb higher. Buying an iPhone at launch means paying the early adopter tax, while your iPhone 16 Pro is still delivering nearly the same experience at a lower cost. Skipping one cycle saves you money and makes your eventual upgrade, whether to the iPhone 18 or even 19, feel more dramatic and worthwhile. Software parity. Apple is known for its long-term software support. The iPhone 16 Pro will continue to get iOS updates for at least 5 more years. While the iPhone 17 may have a few exclusive AI features, most of Apple's software innovations will still come to your current device. This means you won't miss out on the majority of what Apple has planned, even if you decide to hold on to your 16 Pro. So, should you upgrade from the iPhone 16 Pro to the iPhone 17? The answer depends entirely on your priorities. If you're a content creator, an AI enthusiast, or someone who plans to keep your phone for many years, the iPhone 17's improved camera, battery, and AI capabilities may make it a smart buy. But for the vast majority of users, the iPhone 16 Pro remains a powerful, future-ready device that won't feel outdated anytime soon. Sometimes, the smartest decision is to enjoy the phone you already have and wait for a bigger leap in the future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.